So hello YouTube viewers, welcome back. It's 75 here, aka Michi, Wichi. I would like to thank my new subscribers, old subscribers, and viewers for subscribing, for rating, for favoring, for your comments, for the support. I really appreciate it. Happy New Year, happy 2023. I know it's been, a long time, and I know that I've been uploading other random videos. I just wanted to unload that from my memory, basically. I could look back and just check them out, whatever. Anyway, today I got you a video on me straightening my hair with the Revlon brush, okay? I already had a video on this, but with my daughter, I straightened my daughter's hair with this brush, and it worked great for her. Now it's my turn. Remember, it's a different texture. So if you want to see this, please stay tuned. Hola queridos amigos que tú sintonizas de nuevo aquí es de 5 acas Michi Wichi, bienvenidos al canal y feliz año nuevo, feliz 2023. Yo sé que estoy desaparecida y yo sé que cuando van a mis videos pues he subido videos random, he subido videos diferentes, yo jangueando, etcétera, pero eso es para mi memoria, como quien dice. Hoy les traigo un videito acerca de yo estirándome el pelo con el cepillo Revlon. Yo tengo este video estirándole el cepillo a mi estirándole el pelo a mi hija, no el cepillo, estirándole el pelo a mi hija, y le funcionó lo más bien. Me gusta como le dejé el pelo. Ahora es mi turno. Acuérdense que yo tengo un pelo diferente, así que vamos a ver los resultados míos. Si desean ver esto, por favor, yeah. Alright people, so I'm going to keep it very practical, very simple, okay? The focus is going to be the straightening of my hair. I will be using a heat protectant spray, both heat protectant spray. So I will be using the Icy Fantasia polished hair, and I also will be using the Cream of Nature or Argan Oil Perfect 7, both of them together. Let's see. Voy a estirarme el pelo, y lo primero que voy a usar son estos dos productos, algo sencillo. Los dos son protectores de calor. Este es de Icy Fantasia para el brillito, y este es de Cream of Nature, ¿ok? Oh, this is just a spray. It's not like a spray foam. I don't know if it's the weather, or of course I haven't had that much maintenance in my hair. My hair right now looks very dry and brittle. And here in GA is very cold. The temperature is being changing. So, my hair feels very hard. And I just finished washing it off and conditioning it. No sé si es el tiempo. O sea, como está el tiempo aquí en Georgia, está ahora frío, pero la temperatura ha cambiado. Algunas veces está caliente, otras veces está fría, pero no sé, mi pelo se siente bien seco, y me lo lavé y me lo acondicioné y se siente bien seco como quiera. So no sé. Oh my god, I might have to use another product. Probablemente tengo que usar otro producto, no sé. Anyway. Do I recommend this often? No, I don't. I recommend, you do a roller set. It's healthier, it's better. I know it's more time consuming, but it's better. Yo recomiendo esto constantemente, no. Recomiendo que usted se haga unos rolos, aunque esté todo el día haciéndose rolos, depende. Porque los rolos son más saludables. Okay, I did the best I could with the divisions. They're not going to be perfect, but this is it. Okay, hice lo que pude con las divisiones en el cabello. Aquí están. Y even though you're going to use the blow dryer with the brush, you should comb your hair. Aunque vayan a usar el blower de cepillo, como quiera, cepíllense, Let me see. I'm gonna start at a high temperature here. Sorry. Voy a empezar a una temperatura alta. Sorry, you may want to lower your computer, your phone, etc. Y lo siento, bájenle el volumen a su computadora, a su iPad, a su teléfono, etcétera, porque no tengo la musiquita. ¿Ok? Okay, people, so this is my final result. And let me put my scalp over here. I hope you guys see it. As you can see, I still feel little waves in my hair, you know, roots. The roots didn't got like straightened. But overall, it did the job. So if you want this product to straighten your hair, like a blowout look, it is gonna give you like the blowout look. But it's not gonna give you a bow straight hair, or at least for my hair, it's not. And it's also not gonna give you like the wave at the end, because trust me, I tried to wave it out and it didn't. If I was to rate this product for my hair, I will give it a 7. It got my hair straight. It's manageable. I could run my fingers through it, etc. And it wasn't, for me, a lot of hair on the brush. So that's a plus. I'm gonna have to trim my ends. But overall, it's pretty good, and my hair is soft, etc. Okay? But the product in my hair doesn't get to the root. And I divided my hair. And you can see there's some kind of waves, But again, overall, it did the job, the straightening process. Okay, and this is great basically if you're gonna get your hair braided, or if you're gonna dye your hair, because they recommend that your hair is straight when they, put the dye on or whatever. Anyway, mi gente, estos son los resultados de el blower de Revlon. Ok, yo sé que me tengo que cortar las puntas. Y déjenme hacerle un acercamiento. Ok. Pienso que no se estiró el pelo. No estiró la raíz mucho. Me siento la raíz. En mi opinión, yo le daría del 1 al 10 un 7. Yo sé que en el video de mi hija pues le di un 9. Mi hija tiene un tipo de textura diferente al mío, obviamente. So, de que te lo deja... de que te hace blower, sí, te hace blower y te lo deja, no te lo deja lacio dependiendo el tipo de cabello que uno tiene, pero sí te lo estira, y esto es bueno si uno se va a hacer trenza, venir con el cabello estirado, etc. Anyway, esta es mi opinión, okay, del producto, en mi review. This has been 75, aka Michi know what to do by now, people. Support by thumbing it up. Make sure you share all of this on all types of social media. Entonces, se me da 5 acas, Michi Wichi. Y sigue sintonizando. No se olviden de compartir todos mis videos. todas las redes sociales. Dedo arriba. Bye bye. Cuídense. Bye bye and take care. And I'm gonna be coming with other videos. I don't know when, but I will. Okay, so you know, stay tuned for that. Okay, voy a venir con otros videos, no sé cuándo, pero ahí estamos. Okay, así que cuídense. Bye bye and take care.